How to fix video recording not working in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera, and here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After first stop your camera, then click on storage usage, and here you can clear the cache memory of camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.